Hi, it's Susan Green Living here, and I just wanted to share with you guys a little bit about what's on my math shelf for hands-on, manipulative, fun games, and then also I want to take you over and show you my living books. So to start off my math shelves, I have these just these geometry study cards. I have these I have this math fraction card game right here. In the back I have a division game. I have another division game. So unfortunately it's not as organized as I would like, and so maybe I'll come back and do an organization video. But I just wanted to show you nonetheless. I have multiplication division here. I have multiplication here. I have dominoes, because who can not have dominoes? These ones are just more flashcards, just in a different form. Remember, I always say you can do a lot with a little. And this was $1 at the Dollar Tree. Catch a Wave, math. And this one is multiplication and division, right here. And that's for grades 3 and 4. And then this one is Caterpillar math, and this is for grades 1 and 2. And this is for addition and subtraction. And like I said, both of those came from the Dollar Tree. I have an easy addition game. I have a fun with math box. And so these really should go on the living math shelf. I'll bring that out in just a second. I have this multiplication machine that we got from Lakeshore. A sweet friend blessed me with it. My friend JD. We have some pizza fractions. It's a game, but the box kind of got a little worn. So what I did was I took it out the box, cut the box just so we could see and know it, and then put it in a Ziploc bag. And so that's my tip for you guys, is using Ziploc bags. We do have some money here, as well as money bingo here. So this is really like a little money unit right there. And then this one is just multiplication, and I have a paper that says fall into multiplication, and I will put the multiplication card with a die on there, and that's kind of how we work that. Now we go over here, and this is like the timing. So we have this perfect timing, educational and fun, learn to tell time. I have this beginning telling time bingo, B-I-N-G-O, B-I-N-G-O. And then this really beautiful tutor box, and this is a really nice one. It's from Child's Craft, and it's Understanding Time, and Nicole gave me this. So this is just kind of what's over here. Oh, lastly, fun with math. This is from Lakeshore, and it's really awesome. It does problem solving, counting, sorting, measuring, and patterns, and it has like little bananas, carrots, bones. It's really, really amazing. I do want to take like one of these books out just so you can see them, because it's plus sign, minus sign, even, odd, divided by, time, circle, fractions. So I'm gonna just grab one. Okay, not make a mess with it. And let's see if we can just open it up and take a quick look inside. If you were an odd number, you could be the starting lineup. The 5 basketball players scrambled down the court. The 9 baseball players ran into the field. The 11 football players huddled in the end zone. If you were an odd number, you would not be divisible by 2. There would always be a remainder of 1 left over. The tree had 3 bananas. 2 monkeys each ate 1 banana. 1 banana was left over. 3 is an odd number. And so I'm not going to read the whole book, but just kind of wanted to give you guys a little peek into my hands-on fun. And then let me take you over to the living room. Okay, and so now we're over here at my math shelf, and I'm just going to pull the books out and I'll just put them back. So this is Subtraction Wrap. If you did not watch my haul from the library, then you'll know that I got a lot of these for 25 cents each. So this was the Wing Brothers Carnival Day Math. They're not in any particular order. Cuddly Kitty Discovering Fractions. So I'm going to stop saying the title and just hold it for a second so I can talk to you. So then if I was putting together a unit study, And for example, let me go back to this one, Discovering Fractions. So then I would pull the fraction book, I would go over to the shelf, and I would grab the fraction games, right? And that's how I would put together the study. So this one is the counting book. So for that, I would grab the M&Ms, and guess what we're doing? We're gonna be counting and eating M&Ms, or you know, just a more organic, health conscious one. This one is Earning Income. So these are some more of the books that I got at that sale. And I'm using these to be just like a money credit unit for my kids. How to earn money, how to multiply money. I'm gonna be giving them money. Division Made Easy again. Taking all the books about division, and we'd be doing a study on that. Multiplication and division. This one is Big Truck and Car Word. This one is Decimals and Fractions. Geometry Word Problems, No Problem. Fractions to Decimals Word Problems. Ratio and Percentages. If a mind-bending new way of looking at big ideas and numbers. Dive into math, or dive into division, oh my goodness, sorry. Makes me think about the dive, ollie dive. This one is Fractions, Decimals, and Percents. And I've collected these over time. 1, 2, 3, A Child's First Counting Book, just as I've had the money, as I've seen them on sale. I just grab them, and they really bring math to life. It's really just a fun way to teach a concept without necessarily having to have them sit all day. And you know what? I'm actually missing a few Life of Fred books because I have 2 other Life of Fred books. Oh, here was one. So this is Butterflies. I think I'm missing one though. How Many Mice? And so I have little mice puppets downstairs. And so even with that, that's a way to do it. These are like mind games. So these are really cool. Of course, at the turn to the answer sheet. But so just again, just a fun little way. This one is Making Fractions with projects. So now we're adding pie, we're adding cake, all of that to it. Okay, the Cheerio counting book, same thing. We're gonna count Cheerios, eat with Cheerios. So here I just have a few extra Saxon guides and of course my Horizon. And I'm just gonna take a second to plug in. I do not like Saxon. The only reason why I switched to it is because my son is at the end of Horizons, and so I knew that I would have had to switch to something, and so I figured, oh, let's just switch to everybody since we've got to switch eventually. Big mistake. Saxon does not work well for them. It does not work well for me and for my teaching styles, and so maybe I'll come back and just do a review or comparison or something if you guys want me to. If not, I definitely love Horizons and not a fan of Saxon. Hopefully you like this type of video. I'll be back to share what's on my science shelf, what's on my history, geography shelf, what's on my English shelf. I have a lot more games for the like actual games and than for the math. But anyway, remember you can do a lot with a little. I am on Instagram if you want to follow me there, the same name. If you have not, please subscribe so that you can see all the new videos that I come out with. I'm trying to do 3 per week. But again, thanks for watching, and until next time, blessings.